Hello, ma'am. It's nice meeting you, ma'am.
Same here.
Your name, ma'am?
Hema KV. I work for HCL Technologies. I have been associated with HCL from past 10 years.
How do you think our students are, ma'am?
Yeah, they are good, and even many of them are already started on the coding part,
Yes.
and they're doing several good projects also. Some few people they have to open up. That is always like it will be there. Me and you are not of the same.
Yes, true.
People will be with different communication skills, different knowledge, all those things. Yeah, they will come up, I think. But yeah, they are interested towards learning, and also they're very much excited to know how the industry will be, whether I'll get into the industry,
Yes.
all those things. It is there. The enthusiastic people also, many of them are there. Nice to see the batch.
Yes. One thing, if you could say for people, who are still opening up to everything, if there's like a quick advice you could give to them, what would it be, ma'am? To get adjusted to the current notion that's been happening.
Improve your skill set. Have strong build on that skill set part, because anywhere you go, that is what it matters. And with only one subject or one stream, you cannot survive at the current industry. Okay, you should be knowing many languages, not exactly languages, at least if in one front you have to learn all the required things, all the surrounding parts, those things you will have to learn. So improve your skill set and always eager to learn. That is what I could suggest. Anything it is given, how you enhance, that is what it matters, because now AI is there, ChatGPT is there, that gives you the ready-made code.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to build on top of it. You have to add the value to it and also enhance that code. So that is how you can survive.
As we're going into industry right now, what is one thing that you think you could suggest for us to stand out in the industry, ma'am? Like, for example, we have to show ourselves, our kind of thought process into the industry. What is one thing that you could say about that? Like, us trying to build ourselves and
Yeah. See, first and foremost thing, your communication is very important. Okay, how do you communicate with people? Because that is the first point anybody look at. So that is important. And how well you are confident on your topic. Okay, and is it reaching the end users or the whoever is listening? So that is also very important. So also understand, if you are doing any project, what is the problem statement? Okay, whom it is going to help, and how are you helping them? Talk to them, attend their problem also, so that you will see like how I can develop and how I can solve their problem. For example, you were mentioning some project you are doing. You go and contact some asthma patients.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are all the problems that they are facing? See, majority of them will be senior citizens.
yes,
Okay, and not many of them won't be knowing like what if the Wi-Fi connection goes off? How should I bring it back?
true, ma'am.
All those
There's no
things
knowledge about
yes,
that
yes,
for them.
yes. Because
Especially them
for
also.
all generation till they're 60 years for now, they will be knowing at least how to get it on, everything. But older people, no, elderly people, they won't be
It will
knowing.
take time to educate
Yeah,
them
exactly. So you have to talk to them. You have to understand what are all their problems. Once you know what is the problem statement, then only your product will be one successful tool. Otherwise, anybody at home also, they'll be looking at them, any emergency. Yeah, if no one is there that time, it will help. But still, what if that is only switched off? All those things. So you have to talk to the end users, get the problem statement, and see how you can help them. That is where it. So it applies to all the projects, not only one of the projects,
True.
but all the projects. That is what. Understand the problem statement and work towards.
Okay. I'm coming back to your college life. How was your 4 years in SKIT, ma'am?
Yeah, it was memorable. It was very good.
Your favorite teacher at the time, ma'am, who has still a hold on your mind?
There are many.
Many, ma'am.
It was good.
Interested subject?
Java.
Java.
I like Java. I started my career with Java.
Okay.
Java was interested very much for me. How about you now?
Now, ma'am, DSA is kind of interesting for me.
DB database also I was very much interested. Java was there.
Ma'am, what has SKIT given you, ma'am? If you have to say there's one thing that SKIT has given me and I'm very grateful for it, what is that thing, ma'am?
Degree is the first
Degree. True, true, ma'am. Very true.
and it has given me all my friends the degree and the communication, everything. I came from a rural part of Karnataka,
Okay.
and everything started here for me in SKIT. And at that point of time there was no placement. We got it ourselves, but we learned everything from here only. All the connections started here. So yeah, all this are given by SKIT only, I could say.
If there's one thing you'd like to tell about SKIT to people who want to join SKIT, what would it be, ma'am?
Right now, see, everything is changed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But still, yeah, we studied here. Definitely, it is going to be a better one
Right.
now than how it was. And I could see many placement
Yes.
initiatives have been taken. And yeah, join this. You will definitely get some placements. I see all the department heads are very good and very supportive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I could see that here. So you will definitely be successful.
Ma'am, your most memorable day of your 4 years in SKIT, if you had to share with us, or a moment, that will always be in your mind.
The college days, the fests we had.
So, ma'am, how was your fest back in the day, ma'am?
It was not like how it is happening
now.
now, because it is all tech.
True, ma'am.
Because of that now,
It's become a huge
correct, correct. We had one good college fest. That is what I could say.
Yeah.
Only with mic set and that's all. Now you have everything else in the. But that was also nice. We enjoyed a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. It was so
Thank you
nice
so
talking
much.
to you,
Nice
ma'am.
meeting you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.